Good afternoon, YouTubers. Today we're going to do that maintenance work we were talking about earlier. We've got a new hydraulic transmission filter here. Part number for this thing, 51202. Engine oil filter, part number, zoom, there we go, 51334, and an air filter. So I can get the part number on this for you guys. 46438. So we've got our tractor warmed up. We're ready to go to drain some fluids. Like I said, we're going to try to drain the engine oil first from the bottom there. Got my jack stands, using the hydraulics to jack it up there, but got the jack stands for safety. We're going to drop the engine oil first, change the oil filter first, and then we'll move on to the hydraulic fluid. Hopefully I bought enough. And the fill for that still little orange cap there. Alright, let me set you guys up and we'll get started. Alright, we got the oil plug dropped. Oil is draining now. Let that fill up. And then we'll hit the filter next. Alright, let's pull this filter off. Let that drain off a little bit, then we'll wipe it clean and put our new filter on. Alright, new filter is on. Get the test here. Drop my camera. On tight. Hand tight anyway. Alright. Looks like the engine drain is finished, so we'll put that bolt back in and then fill up the oil. Got the engine bolt cleaned up. I didn't see any metal on it, so that's a good sign. It did have the good old diesel dark oil, which I think is common with diesel engines, but it is a 7/8 bolt head, and everything looks good here. The seal looks good, so we'll go ahead and put this back in the engine. Alright, ready to put some oil in. We're using Supertech heavy duty diesel oil, 15W40. sure how many, or what the capacity is yet for this engine. I didn't find anything online that was consistent. I bought 2 gallons, so we'll start the first gallon, take a measurement, and see where we're at. My drain pan didn't fill up, so I know I don't have more than 2 gallons in here. Let's take a measurement. Looks over there at the first mark there. Let's add some more oil. Alright, we got about 7 quarts in there now. Another measurement. We might be where we need to be. I'll take one more measurement. The oil still seep coming down to the bottom of the pan. Yeah, that's pretty good. We'll call it 7 quarts. And then we'll just check it in a little while, make sure it's still the right level. Now we'll change the air filter, a little less mess. Alright, we're going to pull the air filter out now. And it's pretty dirty. So neglected a little bit. You can see that. Pretty dirty stiff. Replace it with this nice clean one. I think it's time for a change. Alright, we're going to change the hydraulic transmission fluid filter. Zoom in there. Alright. Let's go get the new one set up. Put a little bit of fluid in it. I bought 15 gallons. Again, not sure how much I need yet. I'm hoping just 2 of them, that's it. Let's see. Here's the drain bolt from the hydraulic. Here you can see there's some metal pieces on it. Hoping it's just wear, nothing, a sign of any kind of damage. Alright, we got the new filter on. Got it dated with the hours as well too. We got the drain plug in. Now it's time to see how many gallons this thing takes. I've got 15 gallons. I really hope I don't have to use all of it. But we shall see. Alright. We're all finished. We got 2 5-gallon drums in here, and you can see what the level is now. A little bit above, a little bit on the high side of normal or in between, but just in case there's any air left in the system, I think it's okay. Before I couldn't see anything at all in the glass, so it's good. So I'm here waiting on this cover here. I'm going to go ahead and replace that if I can instead of this duct tape or electrical tape, whatever it is. Probably do a seat. And I think it's about all it's going to need. Tractor's in pretty good shape. I think it's going to satisfy the needs that I need, or that I have. So, did nothing fancy, just something to do a little bit of work. I think that's what we got here. Like I said, we've got only 436 hours on it. And I was surprised, and pleasantly surprised, that all the lights work. So, just gotta get some bulbs. All the lights work. So, I'm looking forward to getting some use out of this thing this summer. Alright, Only thing I do still want to find is this tank. See, it's got a hole on it and it's low. This is for the steering, power steering. So I would like to find a tank or something that I can replace it with. So I'll still be shopping for that. Looks like the last guy that had it, the last person that had it, hit something because that step is bent there too. So hit something, got that at the same time. Alrighty. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time. This is a Century 2028, also known mechanically as a Branson 2810 from what I understand. So hopefully I can find what I need for it. See you all next time.